In this video, we're going to use a change of base in order to solve a logarithmic equation with different bases. So base 2, base 8. In order to solve this, we've got to get the two bases to be the same. So our first step is to change this into log base 2 so that it matches up with this. So in order to convert this, we on a blank space somewhere, we need to set y to be this block. So set y to be that block. So it would be log base 8 15. So now exponentiate both sides with base 8. So that will then give us this 8y and then 8 to the power of log base 8 15. So this is 8 to the power of y. This is 8 to the power of this weird thing here. So now in the previous video I said that when this is the same as this, they in a way cancel each other out, leaving you with 15. And then this is 8 to the power of y. So now when you're at this stage, you can use whichever log you want, but in our case we want to use log base 2. So once you're here, you can convert it to any base. In our case, let's use log base 2. So now log base 2 equally to both sides. That would be log base 2 of 8. And then remember the y is able to come down here, so that will then give us this, and then log base 2 of 15. So now divide both sides by this thing here. So that will be log base 2 15 over log base 2 8 and then y. You see this block here, which is y, is exactly the same as this block here, and then here you should notice that well, this will simplify. So this block here is actually quite simple. Your eyes should zoom into this 2 to the power of what will give me this thing here, will give me 8. In our case, the log block itself is talking about the index, so so it is the number 3. So this thing here is actually the number 3. So that will then become this. That will then become log base 2 15 over 3. But when we come to write it like this. It's neater. Write it as a third, and then log base 2 of 15. And then you can actually push this back into here. So it will then become this. Hang on. It will then become this log base 2 15 to the power of a third. So so we can push this back into here, and then to the power of a third is the cube root. So so that's the same as log base 2 cube root of 15. So that is y. So this this whole block here, this whole block here can be represented by log base 2 of the cube root of 15. So so now we've got this thing here, log base 2 of x. So we're trying to solve x. So once you're here, notice that this is base 2, this is base 2. So now hang on, let me just clear this up. So now once you're here, then now exponentiate both sides with base 2. So it would be like this, 2 to the power of log 2x. So that's 2 to the power of this whole thing here. And then do the same over here, 2 to the power of this whole thing here. So that would be log base 2 and then cube root of 15. And in a way, these two they cancel each other out. That will then give us x, and then that would be cube root of 15. So when you are here, don't bother doing this. Just do this in your mind. And just jump to this. So when you are here, hang on. Next time when you are here, in your mind, exponentiate both sides with base 2. That will then give you x, and then this will then be cube root of 15. So this is your answer. Okay.